Blessings to everybody who are checking, you know what I mean? You don't know anything about family, me say, alright? So check out that one, and as usual, this one is sponsored by Aliyah Sky. See, wonderful shirt, you know what I mean? I'm going to know a lot about her. I'm going to show you the thing right up on the screen so you can see all the links and check in on our YouTube channel and all these things, alright? So blessing, thanks again for the support. This one is called, I don't even know. Watch it now.
Yeah man, check, you know what I mean? This one's sponsored by Aliyah Sky. Yeah. To all the family members, you know me loving it, right? Love. She's willing to hold you down, but you can't keep your ground. Always on the move, home is not a place you choose. Never thought about family, running the streets, your victory. What you gonna do when the tables turn? Yeah. A little too late, my friend. A little too late, my friend. Now the love for you has ended. A little too late. A little too late. A little too late.
Father God. Can't believe you left in my shade. I'm left in my shade. You go all the way back up there, son. Father God, you make me. I have to use a knife,
Joseph, you know how long me dey home and wait for you?
Yes,
Where they do a bush for a morning? You know still no left nothing in the yard to eat. God Almighty, man, and when you come home every evening, you come home after 5, 6, and they come quarrel with me for food. Joseph, look where you left for the yard. One breadfruit. What me fin Joseph? The one breadfruit where you left, give me. No oil, no meat. You're there in a bush round be a cow shit. What me fin Cow shit and breadfruit? And that you want me to eat? And when you done here, they come act up your little dirty self for me about jealousy and me turn up down a shop with man and one for sitting. And how me love gamble.
No, but yeah, make it sound like say a lie me a tell. How you make it sound like a lie me a tell?
You see, to me want God see the breadfruit and the whole of the people them in the village, they go on like I say, your man and your boy. So what's a breadfruit to give me? You can't come give me finiam with cow shit.
We are talking about cow shit. Right now, I can't find my cow. That's the next thing. From morning, I'm out here trying to look for cow and can't find a cow. And the two goat them.
Joseph,
you have to understand. So listen to me,
you're one wicked man. I don't want to hear nothing from you. You're very wicked. This morning, I have 1 ounce of flour. And I look about the flour and give you because you come work too much hour in the sun. Me not name none, me give you it. The flour, and me give you with the liquid sugar when left in your bag. Liquid sugar and water and the flour. You're not even turn around and say, me woman, you need any? You sit down right in front of me, burn your spliff, and drink your rum, and I'm the one dumpling, and drink your sugar and water. All day me hungry like dog. And this your left. Now me come see you around be a cow shit. So that mean, you know what that signify?
You come talk about cow shit this and cow shit that. The one time the cow went shit pan my breadfruit them, and me say me I wash it off. What that you talk about? You have me for the rest of my life for that foolishness.
Anyway.
Forget about the filth, man.
See, this say you give me finiam, and when you want to come home, come ride me, I know say work. Take your breadfruit and go give your little dirty foot girl. We sit down at the bar and wait for you every evening before you come home.
So what that
no
mean?
wonder why you can't have no money.
What means no wonder make you what you talk about?
A long time me there. Over 15 years and you can't marry me. What kind of life that? Anytime me left, you know, Joseph, me have one secret to tell you. Long time me have in my head. And me never ready to tell you about me go bossy. Joseph, me plan to left you. And you see, anytime me you left, me no want no man when me have to go there with over 15 years or 30 years before they married me. You don't love me, Joseph, and the girl down at the bar you love.
Who tell you that? Nobody can tell you that.
Eh? Who for tell them foolishness to them story? A
Joseph,
story
me
that...
can't pass down a bar in a piece. Every time me pass them, I drop one for me.
A bush me there. No buy out a bush.
Bush?
You ever see bush? A bush
When
bar?
you left bush,
Mm.
two year one little dirty rumhead. You reach at the bar, so you meet the girl. Me hear about it, me never want to tell
The
you.
one time the girl that asked me for money, people think that me and she there. The one time she said something to me, and me never yet want to in and out with this girl. The girl just come to me and say, Joseph, you can buy me a rum.
Joseph,
and me
you
say,
can't
no.
buy me a rum, really? Joseph, you left come figure your bush a man in time, and when you come home, you know, smell like bush, you smell like girl.
What you talk about? You know, say insecure, and now when people insecure, are something them I do. You up to something, you know. See when me there now. Me I try find my cow. When me look over there, so no, baby cow, a baby cow out there, so. So me I wonder why I go on because I be a cow thief I go on that place now. But
Joseph,
listen me I say,
stop using it, man.
please understand me I say. Me I work on something. Me plan for we get married very soon, but we
When?
can't marry without
After
things.
15 years?
But we can't marry
Joseph,
without things.
nobody think about no marriage. Nobody think about it. Don't think about it. You hear me I tell you? Because it not go work out. Because if me follow you, me reach a workhouse.
Faith.
Me I got dead for you hungry and I need for your hand.
Alright, Faith, listen
I
to
want
me.
naked.
You can't go for my shit for me?
Machete.
Yeah. We
Joseph,
we can't
so you
go
want to tell me
back.
say you left your tool?
Me I want to go and cut up some mango.
Which worker man left them tool?
It means
Nobody but Joseph.
There's so much things going on in my brain, but you don't pay attention to me. When I say hug me and tell me, say, baby, how was the day?
Joseph, me no want hug you up.
But every day I come in, me bathe, because you said, don't come in and bathe if you not bathe. Me bathe, wash my foot, brush my teeth,
Then
and me not
Joseph,
get nothing from you.
What you forget from me? Me tired figure you. 15 years is be a agony on my backside. Eh? And nothing back of it. Joseph, you know still say, a supermarket me a figure. Shh. Not tell nobody. Go buy one ring put for me and people them think say me and you married after we there so long. Yeah, idiot boy, look funny.
But me tell you,
You
not do
see-
that. Why fake it till we make it?
We
Don't
not know
fake it
make
till
a
we
make
make
for
it.
15 years old per year, half of my life gone.
Go for my
and
shit
you not
for me.
married
Go
me.
for my, alright, bring the mango here, go down my yard for me. Come and pick that one I just for you.
Joseph,
You have to push it out. If you put that to green paper, rub it in your green paper up our yard. And
Joseph, so two men dead
by
be
3
hungry.
days
A
now.
green mango me finna.
No, I'm not saying me now. Just wrap it up in a green paper when I reach home.
Joseph, when I see a false teeth me have you want me bite this and my teeth drop out. Then you left me and laugh at me, say me nah no teeth. Take your mango, Joseph.
Faith,
Joseph, me tired of you and your foolishness.
Faith, your police are
tired-
come to Faith. Alright, go on.
When the police and the woman in an argument, you see me a going yard go ask me no question.
Go on,
So
Faith.
how police you come see me and you talk me
Go
at
on.
15 years now, if you go intervene in a finished story. Me did call no police.
Faith, go on, wherever. Come because a policeman right now, a big argument go start. Go on. Me talk to you. Me talk to you.
Me
Faith.
nah left until you left your bush. You two are with the go home same time. Because every time you left from your bush, you find on a bar where you girl there. Me nah left you today. Anytime you're ready, me ready.
Why which breeze blow you up here?
What's up, girl?
Diane, I see.
Peaches, guess what I see today?
If you have story to tell me, miss, please just tell me. Every day you come up here with story.
You're a man, Joseph, the so-called. You're a so-called man, Joseph.
Just not
When
bad
the woman, Eric's Cafe today, me a pass by, so me a go buy myself one smoothie. Him and this girl called Samantha. And next, as soon as me queen, guess who else me see? Now you meet if it?
Daniel, just not bother with it. Like, I'm my man you talk, but me know my man more than anybody else. So, me no need you to come tell me about my man.
Samantha, don't time she say I'm Faith. One piece of pasta. So, girl, tell me about it. You not shame of yourself?
But me ashamed for me know. You just full of mix up and cas. You don't need to come tell me about my man. Me know what my man will do from when
You
on.
not hate yourself?
But me hate myself for.
3 women to 1 ugly man.
You just mix
One
up.
ugly man.
And mix up. Go mind your own business. Me know my man is no girl, me know my man. You know my man like me? Hmm?
Of course, me know your man and me know Faith too. You know what Faith capable of? Eh?
Well, I will always be number one. Not that him a cheat, because I know so you not do it,
You
but
know
I
I
will
don't-
always be number one.
You're funny. You think you're a queen? You think you're a Barbie? I know you them sing about girl. Listen to me. Be careful of Faith.
Me and a
Stop.
queen, I am the whole kingdom.
stop from taking the people their man. Stop it. May your friend, I will come to you and tell her this girl.
Excuse me. Just give me a second. Copy and mix up your cum with you now. Yes, babe. Oh. Come give me a shot now. Long time I not see you. Alright, hurry up. You see, me tell you, your mouth I go put you in a problem. Who just called me? That's my man right there. That's my man. You don't believe? My man just called me.
So true, the man call you your man. So Flo no call me sometime too. But me and Flo no day. Did you still call me sometime too? JPS call me. I know your man is the people, the man.
You know what your problem?
Cause we all sharing the same service. Sorry, you all sharing the same service.
You know what your problem be? You're so jealous. Take your jealous self and go. You ever come up here with some mixed up at the start? Me can't swear for my man. Probably because you don't have no man where can swear pan, but me can swear for my man, okay?
Girl, I know you're alone. I know just Faith alone. Faith is the wife. And you are some side piece. I remember say Samantha still exists. The same girl where I take them chaka like can. She still exists and Samantha will name me like Paul.
Whatever. My man, you're just jealous.
Jealous. You're just jealous.
And as a matter of fact, you know, your time expire.
What do you mean by my time expire?
Lift up. What can we tell me about my man just not make no sense? Lift up.
Hey, come to meet me, baby girl. What going, babes?
Hey!
Yes, how you doing? Good to see you.
Yeah, my friend just there a reason, but she's on her way out.
I want to talk to her. Excuse me a little bit. Hey, nobody that, man.
Go. We need to...
What kind of style you come put me in, sir? Somebody you call. I gotta go talk to somebody, man. Go on. You go on. Take your time, go on. I am not sitting down here. Take your time and go on. Somebody you call you.
Them ever come. Hello?
Yeah, go on.
Like...
Bye, friend.
Just hold the road, miss. Go on.
Goodbye.
The mix up self.
Some people are going. Oh, no.
You know, when I met you, I thought I found my everything. It even reached to a point where I gave up every single thing for you. And this is how you repay me? No, my mother hates me. Even my very own father disowned me just because of you. You know what that means for me? And this is how you repay me. Do you think it's fair?
I truly know how much I'm doing for you outside of everything what you I believe right now say I'm a failure to you. I'm doing so much for you, you know. I still go to school. Out of my little farming. Sometimes farming nah operate properly. Two of them teeth me cow. My two goat them gone. A bad things are going, but me make sure see I was alright.
You know what? Enough. Not because you do so much for me means say me go sit down and allow you to cheat publicly and have people laugh at me.
No, man.
You think that's fair?
No. Remember saying when we start out, right? I told you my life was slightly complicated. Remember me tell you that? Remember the conversation we have? But based on how me and Faith Spirit just agree, you know, I just have to do everything within my powers to make you have an easy and smooth life. And so far you've been having a smooth life. Look at everything I'm going to do for you. To make sure you're alright. Your friend, I don't know why she feel like she will come and chat for your business. You think I like she like you? I hurt you and hurt your feelings. I hurt you and she want to mash up what we have. You understand me I say?
I don't believe you. I don't believe you.
You not believe in me about what? The fact me, I will do anything for you.
About everything. Based on the fact that my friend just come tell me say she see you in a Rick Cafe with woman and all of that.
Me?
Yes.
That girl lie till ask him how old him be. I lie on that. You don't know already, man.
I mean, like, it's no longer slightly complicated, as you say. It is a whole lot complicated.
Babe, don't make the complications from what we done been through make certain circumstances worse for you.
Well, me not second for no side woman or whatever. I'm not
school.
going to settle.
All right, listen to me. Don't pay attention to certain things. Just finish school. When you finish school, then, you know, we take it from this.
No,
Come on,
not
you
second
make
for that.
this make you feel, you know,
Me not second for that. Me not second for
right now, I
that.
have to go find a way to make you all right now.
Listen, you can't buy me out.
I don't buy me, I buy you out.
Yeah,
make
oh,
it all
that
right.
you are trying
No. All right. So what you going to do if you don't have money?
So because you take care of me means I'm supposed to make you do what you need to do? Get other woman, whatever?
No. You don't understand what I'm going on. But I think over the years, you don't really even see with me, certainly.
I can't stay with you through this one. Over the years, I've been forgive you for other things, but not this. Me have feelings too, you know?
And that's why I have feelings for you. I know you have feelings for me naturally. So I don't know why you make it sound like the both of us share the same sentiments. Take all this stuff here, Brenda. You cook?
That's all depend your mind, not true?
Hey, because last time I carry one Hana banana, what do you call it? One Hana banana, yam. It went hard to carry from up the hill there. And make sure I drop you off at your place.
Yes, me cook.
You cook?
Go share your own dinner.
I say you take it?
Me head
You're
not there
that
now,
upset?
right? Yes, me very upset. Me miserable right now. So don't try to play it off like you don't do anything.
I guess I'm going to say. I do the things you love. See that? You laugh already. I do the things you love.
Listen, me know nothing with you. Me know nice heart. Just go on.
Yeah. You really that blessed? This is why are you having a bad day before you talk to me or something?
Just let me get one more complaint about you.
No, I get no more complaint.
And me I watch you.
Come on, man. Come to your sugar. You wanna know?
Just let me get one more complaint about you.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Baby.
You giving me wind.
Where you come from?
In the bush, and for some reason, I just fall asleep. And I just sleep all the time.
Fall asleep?
I fall asleep.
Which part you fall asleep?
Bush, same bush where you come catch me up, so.
Drop asleep?
Yes.
Joseph, why you ever they tell me lie? Eh? Joseph, I must have hear about you and the girl down at the bar, you know. Me talk to you about you and this girl over the bush already, you know. Eh? And you come back with one next sleeper bush story.
I don't tell you about the situation already, but yeah, make it seem like it's a lie, I tell. I work hard to make come true with all of my dreams, you know. Because my dreams include you as well. But you don't believe me, you don't trust me for some reason. It's like the doubt in you, now put the best out in me. You understand me? I say, so you shut me down and put me down at all times. So I can't get to strive the way I want to strive. Hey, faith. A faith, you don't have little faith in me, no, man. But you can't have little faith in me. Trust me. Alright, you want to come and bush with me sometime? Come and bush with me, come do the work. You know how much sitting on my bag right now? Coconut and jelly. Eh? And that me do. So I don't have no doubts. I wonder where me I come from and all these things.
Me not have no doubt, Joseph. Me know your little dirty style them for a long time. Enough time, you tell me say you go your bush and you don't reach a no bush.
So me read.
But you come home in a dirty clothes. All day down at the bar.
Which
But
bar?
The same girl, how much time if you talk to you about this one girl every time?
Faith, when you talk, this all masculine to get place. Faith, how make you talk about this one girl every time a bar like live a bar?
Joseph, You know, say me start search you when you come in.
No problem. Me ready for that. Alright, no more you can search me. Search me hard too.
Joseph, very similar front, you know.
Faith.
Oh.
You see feel kind of vibe right now, and then when you go touch me and then you know.
Joseph, me have to smell if condom upon you.
No, but come
on. You're too out of that.
Faith.
Why you come in them at time? How much evening pass straight? How much money you have with me?
I can't that and I have to that. Why you
left me a dead for hungry every time. But you gone a bar and buy how much liquor and sitting.
Me left you dead for hungry, Faith. Faith, look how much the last conversation we have when you come down to the breadfruit. See? And you make it seem like something.
That's the last time you bring in food in every day you got bush. Why sense you have grown? Why the sense you have grown? Where you have farm?
Me have some stuff in my bag. You understand me? I say, I live Faith.
Who to telephone your girl you get it from and carry come here Sunday chat about bush? Because whole day till night, almost come down, you just come in.
Faith.
You know how long me sit down right after wait for you?
Faith, look on the time. Not even cock take off in jars yet. What you talk about? Easy man and nobody the foolishness man.
Joseph, you not go so. Let me tell you something. You see yourself?
Oh, yes, I close them there. Yes, I think
you close them there, so but me end up a parent. So, all the time.
So me I pay fuel rent. What you talk about?
The fuel like a month where you give me money for help make up and pay rent. You work you out of me long time. So you see every time you come to here, so you need to start paying now. Because you see man like you don't need to get bun. And this year, this me sit down a yard like a housewife.
So you know
and we pan you dirty drunkro. While you come from one next to man yard or down at the bar where she there. And I can't tell boy you have things. You think you can tell me say you have things in your bag to come give me and me taking me?
Hold on man. From
COVID, I mean I know you get it from.
Hold on man. From COVID coming, you know. Don't know say bar not open until 12 o'clock. So how me to sleep out the bar? How
I don't want hear nothing from you, Josie. You see, as friend today,
easy, man.
Me your security. Me need to see what color underpants you wear go out and for the same one you wear coming. Me go start search you.
Searching me?
Yeah, look on your face when you come here so you look suspicious.
Me a sweat because me a come here walk coming from
me
bush.
not trust you none tall. Come in if you say they come in, but you're not going to sleep in a peace tonight. Because if you don't know out your body, you better left some for me. You know how long me wait for you?
You going in?
No, you go on in. You're bright.
So see you deal with me?
Go on in and make sure say you have money to give me. You think you're easy? Go in some man before me broke up your...
Alright, wait, pause this so. Hey, I hear me? I don't want to murder me, don't kill me, you know what I mean? I just strictly love me say. So here we are going now. This video was just to keep the watch time hours up. Because we have to keep the watch time hours up. Based on, you know what I mean, keeping the channel active. Alright? So please bear with me. I beg your planting. Alright? Alright, so now this video was sponsored by Aliyah Sky. It's a wonderful logo. I tell you what going a long time. You know. She is basically, you know, doing a lot of musical productions. Her album soon drop on all these things. I'm going to drop some information based on how you can reach her. She's also on YouTube. I want you to follow her. I'm going to put the thing right there. So you can see our YouTube channel right there. So, and then right there so you can see our official, you know, our thing. All right? So bless upon yourself. Thanks again. I know you understand, man. To the new family members, bear with me. They're on the run, they're on the road. You know what I mean? No, they're on the run. But they're on the road, you know, start or something. Somebody just drop this to keep the channel up. To me, you know, my family members, them are there a long time with me. You know what I mean? Thank you, and I hope you understand and I appreciate you. All right? So, hope you enjoy it. You know what I mean? Do the same thing. Like, share, comment. Let me know what I go on. You know what I mean? So this was just episode 1. Hey, episode 2 is going to be epic. Alright? So just let me write this up. And thanks again. Alright? Bless up.
Yeah man, check. You know what I mean? This one's sponsored by Aliyah Sky. Yeah. To all the family members, you know I'm loving it, right? Love. She's willing to hold you down, but you can't keep your ground. Always on the move, home is not a place you choose. my family. Running the streets, your victory. What you gonna do when the tables turn? Yeah. A little too late, my friend. A little too late, my friend. Now the love for you has ended. A little too